Connecting a new device to your Wealthfront account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure smooth setup. Step 1. Open the Wealthfront app. Download and install the Wealthfront app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Launch the app once the installation is complete. Step 2. Sign in. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. This is typically found in the profile or account section of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Add new device. Look for an option that allows you to add or manage devices. Select this option and follow the prompts to register your new device with your Wealthfront account. Step 5. Confirm device connection. After adding the device, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Check your email for any verification links or codes and follow the instructions to finalize the connection. Now you are ready to use your Wealthfront account on your new device. If you encounter any issues, consult the Wealthfront Help Center for further assistance.